Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Reels on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram Reels are a fantastic way to share short, engaging videos with your followers and beyond. While they are a great feature, you might find yourself wanting to delete a reel that you've posted. This could be due to a mistake, change, or of hurt, or just cleaning up your phone profile. Whatever the reason is, deleting reel on Instagram can be done in a few simple steps. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. Now you can go to the reel section, tap on the reel section. So here's the reel that I just posted on my Instagram and I regret it and want to delete it. How to do it? You can just open the reel. There is an option, there is a three dots over here. You can just tap on that. You can tap on delete. So you can, if you delete this reel, you can restore this reel from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. Now you can just tap on delete. So now you have deleted, you have removed that reel from your profile. And anytime maybe you want to restore that reel again, you can just open your recently deleted in here. And you can just restore your deleted reels. So simple, right? So that is how to delete reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.